Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Vauxhall Insignia with action required, cleaning exhaust filter, must continue driving. The most diesel engine have a DPF, a diesel particle filter. It is designed to trap soot, which will have to be cleaned and emptied on a regular basis. The process of cleaning and emptying a diesel particle filter is called DPF regeneration. There are two types of regeneration process: active regeneration or passive regeneration, which will be on future videos. So this is caused due to driving short journeys on regular basis. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel.